National Stadium, Santiago, Chile. Chile faced Italy in a World Cup match already poisoned by hostile press coverage. Within 12 minutes, the referee sent off an Italian player. Punches followed. Police intervened 3 times on live television. By halftime, another Italian was ejected, leaving 9 men on the pitch. Chile won 2-0. FIFA called it the most shameful match in football history. The trophy meant nothing that day.
The video I showed at the beginning of this video was made using Google Flow for free. If you want to make videos like this, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Before we start, I want you to follow every step exactly as I'm doing it. Even a single mistake could mean that you have to remake the videos and images from the beginning. So let's get started.
First, go to Claude and paste the prompt I've provided in the description. Claude will then ask you to choose a niche. You can enter any niche you want. I'm just showing this as an example, so I'll choose the sports option. Next, Claude will ask you what topic you want to make the video about. You can choose one of the suggested options or enter your own custom topic. After that, Claude will ask you about the video format, such as the duration and aspect ratio. Choose the duration and aspect ratio you want for your video. Claude will then generate the script for your video. Once you're satisfied with the script, type yes, and Claude will generate a timeline for your video. You can check this timeline and use it as a guide when creating and editing your video. Once you're ready, type yes again, and Claude will generate image prompts for each scene. Now, copy the first image prompt and head over to ChatGPT, select Image Creation, paste the prompt, and generate the image. Repeat the same process for every image prompt. For my 30-second video, I generated 9 images. Now that we have all the images, we need prompts to animate them. Go back to Claude and type Next. Claude will then provide an animation prompt for each of the images we generate. Now let's animate the images. Head over to Google Flow and create a new project. Mode. Then choose the aspect ratio and duration for animation according to the timeline we created earlier. Also make sure the video model is set to Omni before proceeding. For my video, I'm going to use 4 seconds for each animation. Next, click the plus icon and select Upload Media. Upload all the images we generated earlier. Once all images are uploaded, click the 3 dots on an image and select Add to Prompt. Then go back to Claude, copy the animation prompt for that image, and paste it into Google Flow. Finally, click Generate. Repeat this process for every image we generated. Once you finish, you'll have all the individual scenes for your video. Download each scene and keep them ready for editing. If you want to remove the watermark from these videos, I've already made a video explaining how to do it for free and unlimited. I'll provide the video link in the description. If you're using the free version of Google Flow, you get 50 daily credits, which you can use to generate approximately a 30-second video per day, depending on the generation cost. Now, if you want to create a documentary-style video like the one I made, it's very simple. Just copy the video script we generated earlier and use ElevenLabs or any other TTS tool to generate the voiceover. Then import the voiceover and your generated video clips into your preferred video editor and edit everything together.
And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching.